Vlogception.
Whoa!
Okay, so we're here, you know, we're out here. Some rocks. Oh, there's some more rocks. It rocks out here. Oh wow, you rocking, girl. I'm ready for you to fall. Please don't. But if you do, I'll catch it with the camera, not my body. Just ignore him though, that's fine. It's my vlog now. It's been taken over.
Show us your fridge.
This is my crib, this is my home, this is my room, you know, and shit. That's a rock.
Where are you going? What are you doing? Come on! Do I look stupid in lots of jackets?
But I'm vlogging.
Oh, well, we're double vlogging.
Yeah, so does that,
Vlogception.
or does it cancel out and now there's no vlog?
Oh, that's sad.
Oh, I wasn't vlogging actually important stuff. I was just documenting my parkour.
I gotta get my vlogging arm stronger. It's heavy. Yeah, if we had the 35, we'll be able to see more of the surrounding rocks.
Cut to GoPro footage for surrounding rocks. Surrounding rocks.
And here in the park, you'll find a wild TJ.